10 is one of the most profound karmic numbers. It is the divine code of creation. 1 is synonymous with I, as in I am. 1 is the creative energy, the beginning of manifestation. It is about what I image, and then it is empowered by 0, what I ordain. That is why 10 is the number of the Wheel of Fortune in the tarot. Because what we image and what we ordain, what we think and what we speak, what we visualize and what we feel, my honeys, is what creates the level of our fortune. Think about programming in terms of computers. All coding is zeros and ones. And as a little side note, just recently, with the unveiling of the quantum chip, how much processing capacity quantum chips have, it's essentially unlimited, because there is an infinity of infinities between 0 and 1 in potential. And not only that, which is already amazing, but they have now figured out how to get 1 to behave like itself, and also to behave like a 0, and to get 0 to behave like itself, and also to behave like a 1. So the possibilities and the potential is truly astounding. But it's important to note that 1 is 0. And again, please watch my first episode, Numbers, in regards to understanding more about that. The number 11, 22, 33, and 44 are considered master numbers. And I will dedicate an entire episode to those, as well as to angel numbers, which are sequences of any number repeated 3 or 4 times, and what their significance is. But all the other common numbers really are self-explanatory. If we look at the individual numbers they are composed of, it's intuitive. And the more you do this, and the more awareness you bring to the process of doing this, the more naturally you will begin flowing in these interpretations. All the numbers from 12 to 52. It's about understanding the properties of their individual components, and then figuring out, through your awareness, how those two properties in combination would behave. What kind of energy does that give us?